Ever wondered why Fortnite, one of the world's most popular video games, is no longer available on the Apple App Store? Well, it's not a simple case of a game falling out of favor. This is a story of a clash among titans, a face-off between two tech behemoths. Epic Games, the creators of Fortnite, and Apple, the tech giant. This is about a digital tug-of-war with high stakes, and it's far from over. Let's delve into the root of this digital tug-of-war. Our story begins in August 2020, when Epic Games, the creators of Fortnite, decided to challenge Apple's payment policies. They introduced a daring new feature in Fortnite, a direct payment method that bypassed Apple's 30% cut on in-app purchases. It was Epic Games' bold move, a deliberate sidestep around Apple's stringent rules. This audacious act was, in essence, a rebellion against the tech giant's established order. But as they say, every action has a reaction. Unsurprisingly, Apple did not take this lightly. In response to Epic Games' rebellious move, Apple swiftly removed Fortnite from its App Store. This decision sent shockwaves through the gaming community. Suddenly, Fortnite players found themselves stranded on an island with no updates or in-app purchases. The vibrant world they'd come to love was frozen in time, locked in a version they could no longer evolve. It was like a digital apocalypse, with players scrambling to adapt to this new reality. But Epic Games was not about to back down, though. Soon after the ban, Epic Games retaliated by filing a lawsuit against Apple, accusing them of monopolistic practices. This sparked a fierce legal battle, with both tech giants standing their ground. As the legal battle rages on, Fortnite remains banned on the App Store. So, to sum up the reasons behind Fortnite's ban from Apple's App Store, Epic Games violated Apple's payment policies, leading to a swift ban. The ensuing legal battle continues to rage on. Until a resolution is reached, Fortnite remains a no-show on the Apple App Store. For now, the digital battlefield remains tense.